The readings for this week are from Isaiah chapter 7 verses 10 to 16, the book of Psalms 80 verses 1 to 7, Romans chapter 1 verses 1 to 7, and Mathew chapter 1 verses 18 to 25, which I will now read for you. All these are in preparation for reflection and prayer on Sunday the 18th of December, the fourth Sunday of Advent. The Gospel according to St. Matthew chapter 1 verses 18 to 25. This is how the birth of Jesus the Messiah came about. His mother Mary was pledged to be married to Joseph, but before they came together, she was found to be pregnant through the Holy Spirit. Because Joseph, her husband, was faithful to the law, and yet did not want to expose her to public disgrace, he had in mind to divorce her quietly. But after he had considered this, an angel of the Lord appeared to him in a dream and said, "Joseph, son of David, do not be afraid to take Mary home as your wife, because what is conceived in her is from the Holy Spirit. She will give birth to a son, and you are to give him the name Jesus, because he will save his people from their sins." All this took place to fulfill what the Lord had said through the prophet. The virgin will conceive and give birth to a son, and they will call him Emmanuel, which means God with us.